Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bookmap on Thinkorswim. Bookmap is a powerful charting application that offers visual insight into real-time market data. It helps traders better visualize supply, demand, and volume, providing a dynamic view of liquidity and order flow. Unlike standard price charts, Bookmap maps real-time data from current market maker order books, giving you a clearer picture of market activity. To get started with Bookmap on Thinkorswim, you first need to contact Thinkorswim support and request them to enable the Bookmap feature on your platform. After they confirm it's active, simply restart your Thinkorswim application. You'll then find Bookmap under the Charts tab. The free version typically provides access to a few select symbols, such as Apple and Microsoft, while a full subscription for all symbols costs approximately $40 per month. Understanding Bookmap's visuals is key. The heat map displays resting orders across the order book, showing market depth over time. Brighter areas on the heat map signify higher concentrations of passive orders, indicating significant liquidity. Specifically, red and orange colors represent very high liquidity, while blue and black denote lower liquidity. Additionally, volume dots on the chart illustrate the size of each individual trade, offering further insight into market activity. For advanced usage, consider combining Bookmap with other technical indicators, such as VWAP, to gain a more comprehensive market perspective. Analyzing historical liquidity shifts can also provide valuable context for current price action. Pay close attention to liquidity walls and gaps, as these can signal potential price breakouts or volatility. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.